It is moments like these that stand out the most in life. Forever etched in our minds and permanently engraved in our souls. The creation of life. Today's world bears a burden. Time goes by faster, thus taking away from cherishable moments. It wasn't hard deciding on the mountains to capture this moment. Here, time moves slowly, and love is much more appreciated. Life is often misunderstood, and time along with it. Some people spend a lifetime trying to figure out who to live life with, when the one true purpose of life is to live it nonetheless. So go on, chase your dreams, fail, fall, and get up. Life is your adventure.
Don't get up, love will speak. I forget I wasn't listening. You're all I wanted, all I wanted. You're all I wanted, all I wanted. You're all I wanted, all I wanted. You're all I wanted, all I wanted.
Guys, thank you so much for watching that video. Yes, everything you just watched is true. I am on my 4th child in the middle of a pandemic, and I'm 29 years old, and I don't have a job. Guys, thank you for making it past that entire video. If you guys loved it, please like, comment, subscribe, and share to a friend or family member or somebody you think that would benefit from watching this video at all. Fatima and I cannot have a baby shower, unfortunately, due to the current events that are happening right now. So her and I really would love it if you guys could help us out by buying something off of our baby registry, or you guys could simply just donate to our new child. That would mean the world to us. The links are below. If you guys do not follow me right now on Instagram, the link is right here. I actually don't think it's going to be a link. I think it's just going to be my name on Instagram, which is pretty simple. It's Timmothie. What's up on there is a lot of travel content, a lot of cinematic storytelling and videos. But what I'm going to be doing here on YouTube is going to be a lot of that in particular. I really want to focus on storytelling, and I'm inspired by all these other creators that are out there who do the same, take you on so many journeys and tell the most compelling stories from them. That's what I want to be able to do for you guys. So if you guys like that kind of content, please don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Once again, thank you guys so much for watching the video, and I will see you guys on the next one. Wait, before you guys leave, so sorry, totally forgot to tell you guys that. If we get enough donations and if we get enough likes and some, comments and subscribes, enough engagement essentially, Fatima and I decided that we're going to actually create a video revealing our new baby, showing you guys what she looks like and so forth in the most cinematic way. Not something that's going to be this long, but long enough for you guys to get the idea of, who this new baby is, what she looks like, and how she smells and stuff like that. So if you guys would like that, please like this video. And I don't want to say it over and over again because I don't want to sound repetitive, but subscribe.